that bird over there is a bald eagle. The bald eagle's scientific name is Haliaeetus lucephalus. In birds of prey, the males are larger than the males. A female bald eagle can weigh up to 13 pounds. Bald eagles prefer forested areas near large bodies of water. They require nesting trees that are tall, sturdy, and protrude above the canopy. Their diet consists of fish, birds, reptiles, and mammals. They obtain their food by preying on living animals, scavenging on carrion, and stealing food from other raptors. A bald eagle nest is 5 to 6 feet in diameter and 2 to